I want to demonstrate how frequency can be manipulating with the EQ effect. Sound can be divided between high tones, mid-tones, and low tones. And to alter this, go to the Effects window and search EQ. I'm going to select EQ 10 bands. To apply the effect to the selected clip, double-click on the effect, or drag the effect onto the clip in the timeline, or drag the effect into the Effects Control window. Go to the Edit button to get a graphic representation of the sound bands. This controls the signal output for different frequencies, low, medium, and high. By boosting one, you increase the volume for that frequency range. There are presets above, and you can adjust levels individually. I'm going to try to make it seem as though my voice is coming through a telephone. To do that, I boost the high frequencies and lower the mids. Now I need to watch my audio levels monitor to make sure I am not peaking. If I am, I can lower the overall volume once my effect is applied. To bypass any effect, or to hear your original sound, click the FX or the bypass box.